Games during the last year. We at the Council has always firmly believed and stressed on the holistic development of the child in this body, mind and spirit. So while we are all aware that academics and examination are the Council's prime concerns, it also realizes the importance and role of the sports and games in a child's life. Council for the last 3 years embarked on a mission to conduct the CISC Sports and Games with a definite purpose of identifying the sporting talent in our Council's affiliated schools. We always aimed to provide a platform for them to showcase their talent so that they can reach their full potential. And those students can grow and represent at the national and the international levels also. This is the CISC Sports and Games structure, wherein we start with the CISC Zonal and Regional Sports and Games, followed by the CISC National Sports and Games. The selected students represent the Council at the National School Games conducted by the SGFI. The level 4 is the Khelo India Youth Games organized by the Sports Authority of India, and they can also represent at the Asian and in the international school games. We are all aware the organization of any sporting event at such a big level is a Herculean task and almost impossible for the Council to conduct them on its own. So we look forward towards its affiliated schools to provide every possible assistance. In this regard, Council has appointed 12 regional principal coordinators to assist the conduct of such events. Though many of you may be aware of these principal coordinators, we will be officially introducing all of them to you. Starting with the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Mr. Maruti Ram Prasad Pelluri, Dr. Emmanuel for the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan, Mr. Christopher Francis for the states of Jharkhand and Bihar, Dr. Florence D'Souza for Karnataka, Father James Mulasari for the state of Kerala, Mrs. Perrine Bagli for the states of Maharashtra, Goa, as well as our overseas schools, Father Joseph for the state of Odisha, Mrs. Nirmal Kaur for the North India region, which comprises of Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Chandigarh, and Delhi. Dr. N.K. Charles representing Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Sudhir Joshi for the states of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Mr. Ranjan Mitter for West Bengal and the Northeast states, and Father Jojit Hopil for the states of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. We take this opportunity to thank all our principal coordinators for their support and cooperation in the field of sports and games. We have also created a CISC Sports Help Desk. You can see on the screen, there is a specific mail ID, sports@cisc.org, and we have created a helpline also. For any unresolved issue which needs immediate attention, you can mail me at dsfin@cisc.org or call. For all sports and games update, now we have updated our website also. So in the front page of our website, cisc.org, you can click on the games and sports tile so that you can get all the necessary updates from there. Coming to the participation of CISC in the 65th SGFI Games 2019-20. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very happy to share the achievements of our students. You can see from this chart that we have won 71 medals and our All India rank is 12th. And this is from the SGFI website, from the 37th rank in the year 2018-19 out of 44 states. Now we are in the All India 12th rank. The CISC medal tally, if you can see, we got 20 gold medals, 16 silver medals, and 35 bronze medals. The key achievements, our students performed very well in the events of tennis, football, gymnastics, athletics, swimming, chess, carom, and table tennis. Glimpses of some of our achievements. We can see CISC hosted the SGFI Tennis Championship at Balewadi, Pune, where our girls was All India winners. It was not only Pune, we performed all over the country. Now you can see the victorious under-19 boys in the state of Andaman Nicobar, Port Blair. Followed by Taekwondo at the state of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, and athletics girls at Punjab. Our success story does not end here. Our students made us proud in the Khelo India Youth Games 2020 also. Students from the state of Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu won medals for us in the events of swimming, athletics, and lawn tennis. I will also like to intimate you about the CISC Sports Award, which was introduced last year. We are happy to share with you a prize money amounting to 14.88 lakhs has already been shared and dispatched to 88 schools to all the 120 medal winners for the last year National School Games. We are all aware that due to the COVID pandemic, this year we could not organize the CISC Sports and Games and the CISC Pre-Subroto Cup. However, at the council, we always felt something is better than nothing. So we entered into a collaboration with Fit India Mission and organized Fit India Active Day sessions through the YouTube channels for the period April 20 to May 8. These videos covering topics like yoga, meditation, nutrition, fitness, and stamina is also available now in the Fit India Active Day sessions. The Fit India Active videos is also available for viewing in the CISC website in the Games and Sports section. We also feel our sports teachers, PE teachers, has played a pivotal role in the development of our sports and the training of our children. So we collaborated with Sports Authority of India through the Lakshmibai National College of Physical Education, and we organized a 21 days online training program for our PE teachers. All the PE teachers of many CISC affiliated schools successfully attended this program. Next, it was followed up by the whole school approach to fitness, where we organized a seminar, an awareness session for all our principals to launch the Khelo India Fitness Assessment for school-going children. The Khelo India National Fitness Program has been successfully launched through the fitness app, and all the talents that will be identified will be trained at the Sports Authority of India centers throughout the country. We conducted 2 batches during the August month from 11th to 14th August. All our PE teachers who participated in this program was awarded the certificate of participation, as you can see on the screen. Next, it was the Fit India Freedom Run, which was inaugurated by Sri Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Minister of Sports, in the presence of Dr. Emmanuel, Chairman CISC. A large number of CISC schools actively participated in this program during the period August 15th to October 2nd. We are all aware that on 25th November, Honorable Minister of State, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, in the presence of Dr. Emmanuel, inaugurated the Fit India School Week. In this program, where Dr. Emmanuel was invited as a panelist, he emphasized on the importance of the physical well-being of our school-going children. The second edition is going on now. We emphasize on 2 slogans to make those things popular. Fit children, fit country. Hum fit to India fit. The virtual activities of the school week has already been shared with all our principals through email. I am repeating it once again. You can organize physical fitness programs, yoga, brain games, online quiz, and one day is dedicated for family fitness program. After doing this, please upload the videos in the Khelo India, Fit India YouTube channels. Looking forward, with the decreasing number of COVID cases and the introduction of vaccination throughout the country next year, we are cautiously optimistic and sincerely hope that Council may be in a position to organize the next year National Sports and Games. We will review the position again in the month of April and intimate all stakeholders about the future course of action in this regard.